explanation on topic lines and angles. Let us start from basic terms and definitions. Line. It is actually a straight path which have no endpoints. It can be extended in both directions. Next, line segment. It is also a part of line. It has two endpoints and cannot be extended in any direction. Next, array. It is also a part of a line which has one starting point but have no ending point. Next is intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, lines that do not cross each other are known as intersecting lines, and next non-intersecting lines that do not cross each other are known as non-intersecting lines. Next are parallel lines. Lines that do not intersect each other are known as parallel lines. Next is transversal. It is a line that intersects two lines at different points. Is known as transversal. Perpendicular lines. Lines intersect each other to form right angles. In this diagram, four right angles are formed. Next is angles. An angle is formed by adjoining two rays with same endpoint. Types of angles: acute angles. Those angles measures less than 90 degrees are known as acute angles. Next is right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is known as acute right angle. Next, obtuse angle. An angle whose measures lie between 90 degrees and 180 degrees are known as obtuse angle. And straight angle, the measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. Next, reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is known as reflex angle. There are another two types of angles, complementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are known as complementary angles, and supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees are known as supplementary angles. Next is angle sum property. In this, we have proved that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Next we have is corresponding angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal pair of corresponding angles are formed, here is the diagram. Next, linear pair of angles. A pair of two angles that form a line are known as linear pair of angles. Next is alternate interior angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, two angles in the parallel lines opposite on the side of the transversal are known as alternate interior angles. Next, alternate exterior angles. Two angles that lie outside the parallel lines on opposite side of transversal are known as alternate exterior angles. Next are consecutive interior angles. Two angles that lie between parallel lines on the same side of the transversal are known as consecutive interior angles. Next are adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles that have common vertex and common arm, they are known as adjacent angles. Next are vertically opposite angles. Two lines intersect each other and angles opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles, and they are equal to each other. I hope the concept of lines and angles is clear.